Hi, my name's Grant Dixon. I'm a trial lawyer and I've been representing victims in catastrophic personal injury cases for almost 30 years now. I get asked questions from friends and family, sometimes on the internet. I have one of those questions here for you today. Do I have to use the body shop the insurance company recommends? The answer to this question is no. You get to select the body shop. But sometimes an insurance company will select a body shop and the estimate will be too low to repair your car. Demand that your car is repaired with good quality parts and by a good quality shop. And if you've got questions about a personal injury matter, call Dixon Law Office at 888-354-9880 or chat with a member of our team 24/7 at attorneysmakingitright.com. Because when everything goes wrong, we make it right.